Hello, my dears. I am Sally, and today we have such a beautiful meditation about loving yourself, embracing yourself with self-love and all the care, the support you need, your soul, your body, your spirit, so you can blossom into love, into joy and bliss, to feel yourself radiating love in and out. There are so many times in a day where most of us still doubt ourselves. We block ourselves to allow our full potential to be, to allow the love to flow and the energy. And when you catch yourself, take a moment, realize it, and change it. Change it with love, with a smile, or with awareness. Love can flow in so many ways. And to fully invite it now, to feel it, to not any longer doubt yourself. And it can be like, oh, my body feels fat, I don't know how to do this, I feel unworthy, I don't believe that, and this looks so bad on me. No, it's time to embrace the love. Are you ready? Find a comfortable seat or lie down. I already invite you now. How can you feel cozy and homey in you? And it doesn't need to be the normal meditation pose. It can be a long spine, so your energy can already flow easily. But if you feel like cuddling with your pillow, with your blanket, your animal, or even your partner, invite it now. If you want to open your eyes or close them, everything is okay. Ask your body, I love you. How do you want to be now? Listen and follow. Do what your body is inviting you to do. It can be surprising. Maybe you need to stand up. Then do it. Follow your body. It always knows. And I invite you to also allow pictures to come intuitively. If there's something popping up and you know, this is how I embrace the love right now, how it's increasing my frequency, then feel it. We make a small journey through the body to feel the love in every cell. And if there's a body part where you normally see or feel that's not so good, just allow it. Allow the frequency of joy to enter. It's like you're training a muscle. At the beginning, it might feel painful or uncomfortable Or you might think like, I don't want to do that. But if you train this muscle time by time by time, again and again, it will get stronger and it will feel comfortable. It's allowing it and surrendering. That's what I invite you to surrender into the love. So it can come. Allow it. If you want to allow it, say yes. Internal, external. Yes? Okay, then let's keep continuing. I love you, my feet. You're carrying me everywhere. I love you, my legs. I'm so thankful that you carry me and show me all the beauty of the world, because I can walk, I can come there. It feels so good, and feel them. Feel the love inside. I'm so lovingly in my belly. I can feel the love inside of my belly. I breathe it in. Breathe in. And see your belly rising. Feel it. And see when it gets with the exhale flat. Inhale. I love my belly. I feel the air inside. I love how my belly works for me, supporting me, nourishing me, keeping my fire activated to digest everything. I love my belly. No time for that. Feel the love. I love my belly. And then travel all the way up into your brain. Feel your head. I love my brain. I love my head. I love my thoughts. They keep me going. I love my face. It looks so beautiful. I love all the senses I have. The smell, the taste, the listening, the voicing, the seeing. I love everything of my face, of my brain. I love how smart I am. And feel it. Feel how smart you are. Feel the love in your brain. And love can come in so many ways. It can't just be that you are fully aware of yourself. It can feel warm. It can feel like tinkling. It can feel like a touch. When you just get aware of something, you touch it, you feel it with your fingers. And the same feeling can rise inside and external. Love can show you and sense in so many different ways. You're so uniquely. Your body will show you. Just stay present. How the love flows. travel all the way down into your heart. How is the love here? I am full of love. I love my heart. I love the rhythm. I love the blood flow. It's activating my bottom. My body, my prana flows. My energy. I am full of love. I feel it. I breathe it in. I am love. Feel it. Feel the warmth. And fully activated. Feel the love to somebody, how it's flowing. It's flowing to a project, it's flowing to a person. How much do you love somebody? To an animal, to a place. What are you loving? Feel the love. See it. Increase it. Deep inhale here. It's flowing. Can you see the love arrives? And then come back to yourself. Arrive in your heart. Feel the love inside of you. And let love allow to enter deeper into deeper levels of your being. Feel the love entering your whole body. And if there's a special body part where there's pain or uncomfortable, or you just feel it needs more awareness, send the love there right now. If it's non-specific, choose your heart. Put your hands there. Feel the warmth. Feel the love flowing. Feel how healthy, how joyful. Invite a smile. Beautiful. Is the love flowing? And increase it with another smile. Love is always there. Allow it. Another deep inhale. Hold it. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Exhale. Come back. Arrive in time and space, fully charged of love. And if you feel you want to increase your love, your meditation tools, with another meditation with me, and you're not following already my channel, I invite you to subscribe now. I'm so thankful and full of love that you joined me today. I hope to see you again. Namaste.